Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing on cross tabulation. And what is cross tabulation? We want to see how interwoven two frequencies are. For example, from our data set here, we have a data set on device owned, we have on color. So we can identify the number of device owned and the one that has most color. So doing this is just go to your analyze icon, click on analyze. There is descriptive statistics. Then you scroll down to cross tabs. You click. Now we have two data sets we want to work with. The two variables rather that we want to work with. The first one is device owned, and the second one is color. Now check on the statistics. If you need to include any other statistics, you can add as many as possible that you want to include. Then after you've done that, just click OK. Then the results pops up. Looking at these results, that's the cross tabulation result. Now we can now look at the values of within the table. You see that we have two black tablets, we have 3 Mac, we have 16 black PC, we have 3 smartphones, black smartphones, we have 2 black printers, and under silver we have none of the tablets has silver color. We can conclude that we have 2 Macs with silver color. The PC, we have 13 PC with silver color. We have no smartphone with silver color, and we have, it's just like that. Let's go to brown because of our time. Let's go to brown. Brown, we have 10 brown PCs, and of course in total we see the total number of tabs. We have 3 tabs. We have 10 PCs, we have 49, sorry, we have 10 Macs, we have 49 PC, we have 3 smartphones, we have 8 printer in total. So now we can now have within this table using the cross tabulation to conclude on the number of the application that has more gadgets. Now we can now say, and more colors rather. We have PC here, which is 16. That is, though PC has the highest number of frequency in the total, but black PCs dominates other color. So this is cross tabulation. In our next video, we'll be talking about some other use of this instrument. Thank you.